Okay, so first and foremost, this hard hat is made by JSP, just branded by Husqvarna. It comes with its own separate instructions and information about it. It does have the Revolution wheel 3D tensioning system, so you can loosen it way up. And it does have some nice straps in there as well to help cushion the blow, which is what a hard hat's supposed to do. The Husqvarna kit also comes with a nice set of just pictorial directions right here. So it's pretty simple. This is how the the muffs came, and you just pull them out and rotate it down. And if you want to switch these out, you can get in here and just pull this out. And it's not, well, I don't need to. I'm not going to. I've already done it once, and it wasn't too difficult to get back in, but I don't want to just keep possibly loosening it all up. It does not appear that either of these are directional. And so the nice part about this is it just locks in right there. And then get this one on this side. Oh, there we go. Got that one nicely. Now the visor is a little bit trickier. Again, it has pictures on how to do it. You've got 2 tabs here and some notches in the front. You've got these grooves right here that go over those tabs, and these tabs fit in the notches there. And so just get one on and start working it into where it needs to be. There we go. So got the visor portion, may have beat up the screen mesh just a little bit, and then the brow of the visor just snaps in place here. Really nice, slick, easy. So you had this notch here, had to get the shield all the way in and down, all the way along, and then this notch over here, tab that you had to get in through that notch. What I was struggling with is the visor here. This part with this protrusion sticking down was coming up and meeting up here. Get these locked in, push down, and snug it all in, and that worked a lot better. And now the slick part here, this fits in to those brackets into a couple slots right here on the muffs that we just installed onto the hard hat. And you can adjust it how far out or in you need it to be. It snaps up for you, and there you have it. The helmet is fully assembled and ready to be used. Again, nice picture and words if you wanted to read them. But now the chaps, chainsaw safety chaps, kind of the big reason. Two big reasons that I got that kit. One, these chainsaw safety chaps designed to protect you from a chainsaw blade. Go figure. And then this to protect me from everything else a chainsaw might do aside from a blade. Now these are just front chaps, so they're not complete leg wraps. They kind of go around the inside of your legs a little bit, but they do not protect like your calves and things like that. So keep that in mind when you are utilizing these, that they're not a complete wrap, but they do what is necessary to protect you and keep you safe. You see this right here, saw protection, and then it tells you the codes and everything else that it meets. That is what you need if you are looking for chainsaw protection gloves. And these, they just fit comfortably. That's all I was going for. I hope to not have to report back to you and tell you how well they function to actually protect me. Because PPE is your last line of defense, and generally using the gray matter between your ears is your first line of defense to protect yourself from getting hurt. So these are the Husqvarna functional saw protection safety gloves that I got for use while I'm working with chainsaws and other power cutting equipment. For more information and details about the product, click on the links in the description below. This is Lucas Borgstrom. Have a good day.